Roland's back there going, why didn't you get gas before the ride? That's Roland's bike, by the way. Don't ask me what it is. Don't be stealing my credit card now that you know my zip code. All right, 2 gallons. Need to reset the trip. 2.2 miles was 108. 2.2 gallons was 108 miles. And we're off. Now, if you pick up a map, we can blow off Hayesville. To the north of us, there's some really good roads, Tusquity Road, some others, but I needed gas, so that's why we're here. I wouldn't have made it up there. But yeah, there's roads that actually parallel this one that are curvy, so you don't have to get on the regular 64. I'm going to assume that they probably were the original 64, or should be old 64 today, but since they're not labeled and I don't remember where the roads went 30 years ago, that, and I really don't want to go through downtown Hayesville. That was a fast light. And if no one warned you, don't go hauling ass through here. There's always a trooper in Hayesville somewhere. I don't know where he's at right now, but he's here. He's watching. And now we're out of Hayesville. churches in this area. There's more churches than there are people. Well, they're putting something big back up in there. Roland's little 400 made it around that thing. I don't know what his top speed is. There's nothing worse than following traffic. It's safer to be out here all alone. It's safer and more dangerous. It's safer for you because you're not surrounded by a bunch of cages that want to run you over. But it leaves you a moving target for every trooper on the planet that wants to shoot you with radar and write you a ticket. Look how calm that water is. That is Lake Chateau. We're going to take us a right here on 175. 175. And this is a old 64. There's the elf school. Down there's where Santa sends his elves to get a little bit of education. Western North Carolina might not be the best place to get an education, but